Hi everyone, my name is Isabel Marshall with Lutron Electronics and I'm here at CEDIA Expo 2024. Today I'm excited to talk to you about our new recess system for Lutron Drapery that we're showcasing here in this corner. We are also showcasing two of our soft treatment styles, being the Triathlon Roman Fabrication Kit released at CEDIA Expo 2023 and of course our Drapery track. Two of the design trends that we've seen be very popular this past year and a half is the quiet sealing as well as the soft treatments. So we're using this opportunity to showcase both of these here today. You'll notice how we have that smooth operation of our drapery as it closes, almost disappearing into the ceiling. In addition to the newly released recess system for Lutron Drapery, we are also showcasing some of our other products that are able to disappear quietly into the ceiling or into the wall with the Lumaris tape light mud-in extrusion released earlier this year, as well as other manufacturers in the industry that have created solutions to recess some of our wall controls, including the Elise wall control, Palladium keypad, and Palladium thermostat with manufacturers like TrueFig, WallSmart, and C-Less. Of course, rounding things off with our Ketra solutions, being the D2 downlight and D3 downlight, that are able to seamlessly disappear into the ceiling and create an amazing invisible finish, really aligned with design trends that we're seeing this year. Thanks so much for joining us this year at CEDIA Expo 2024. If you'd like to learn more about our newly launched innovations, please visit lutron.com/what's new.